in the xy plane, a line with equation 2y equals c for some constant c intersects a parabola at exactly one point. If the parabola has equation y equals negative 2x squared plus 9x, what is the value of c? Okay, so this parabola right here is a concave down parabola because the coefficient of the x squared term is negative. And this line, 2y equals c, we can simplify that to 2y equals c over 2. And this is just a horizontal line in the xy plane because c is just some constant. So y equals c over 2 is just some horizontal line. Depending on the value of c, it's just some one of the lines like this. So, and in order for a horizontal line, like y equals c over 2, to cross a parabola at exactly one point, the line must intersect at the vertex. Because if this line intersected somewhere other than the vertex, like down here, then it would cross the parabola at 2 points instead of 1. And if it crossed up here, well, it wouldn't really cross at all. There would be no points of intersection. So the line, or horizontal line, must cross the parabola at the vertex if it has to cross at 1 point only. And we can find the point at the vertex to be able to solve for the value of c. So the x value of the vertex of a parabola, the x value at the vertex, is equal to negative b over 2a, where b is the coefficient of the x term and a is the coefficient of the x squared term. So in this case it's just negative 9 over 2 times negative 2, which is just negative 4, which we can just simplify to 9 over 4. Okay, so this is the x value of the vertex, which is the point where they intersect. And we can find the y value at the point that they intersect by just plugging this into this equation. So the y value when x equals 9 over 4, we can just find that using the equation of the parabola. So negative 2 times 9 over 4 whole squared. So negative 2 times 81 over 16 plus 81 over 4, which is just, this is just equal to negative 81 over 8. 2 over 16 is just 1 over 8, and then that multiplied with 81 is just negative 81 over 8 plus 81 over 4. And if we do some fraction math, we get that this is just equal to 81 over 8. So the y value at this vertex is equal to 81 over 8, which means the y value of the line should also be 81 over 8 since they intersect at this point. So for the equation y equals c over 2, the y value should be 81 over 8, and that should be equal to c over 2. So then if we multiply this 2 to the other side, we get that c is equal to 81 over 4, and that's the answer. 81 over 4 is the value of c.